Cottage Hospital doctors are nervous about crowds this holiday weekend, especially as some California hospitals near capacity in their ICUs.
And News Channel 3 Scott Sheehan spoke with an infectious disease specialist at Cottage Health today. And Scott, what is she recommending?
Beth, CJ, if you're going out this weekend, bring your mask. Even if you're going outside, Dr. Lynn Fitzgibbons says that masks have helped flatten the fourth wave, and they're needed when you're in close contact with others, inside or out. Holiday play?
Probably doing some barbecue, hit up some local restaurants, probably go to the Funk Zone here for a little bit, try some coffee shops there in State Street.
And holiday work?
It's a lot of working. Sunday I work as well, I'm a cook. So lots of working and a little bit of play here and there.
Just in time for Labor Day, but the expected influx of people has health leaders worried.
The problem going into this weekend is that in the last 2 days, we've had 300 new cases diagnosed in Santa Barbara County.
Dr. Lynn Fitzgibbons points to the holiday coming close to the start of school and a likely reason for an uptick in COVID cases.
Schools reopened. Kids went back to after-school activities, and ultimately households were interacting with other households with more intensity than they have all summer.
This increase is also concerning because of what's happening just northeast of us in the San Joaquin Valley. Hospitals are below 10% in available intensive care beds.
We were told by the state just in the last 48 hours that we should anticipate that the San Joaquin region may unfortunately continue to deteriorate in such a way that many hospitals around the state should expect calls with transfer requests.
Santa Barbara County Public Health shows that there are more than 700 people still infected with COVID-19. So Dr. Fitzgibbons recommends when you go to crowded places this weekend, like the Santa Barbara Bowl or the rodeo in Santa Maria, you bring your mask.
Everything that we have been doing really since the indoor mask mandate went back into place about 3 weeks ago is clearly working. In fact, if you look about a week ago at our case rates, we had started to plateau.
And with more people expected to travel, Dr. Fitzgibbons says the best way to protect yourself is stay in smaller groups, wear a mask in big groups, and get vaccinated. Santa Barbara is expected to be one of the top places that people from Los Angeles are expected to visit this holiday weekend. And not knowing someone's vaccination status is another reason to have your mask handy. Reporting live in Santa Barbara, Scott Sheehan, News Channel 3.
All right, that beautiful beach scene drawing a lot of people in this weekend. Thank you, Scott.